Mark Zuckerberg claims that his glasses are better than the Apple Vision Pro. Recently, Mark uploaded a video where he recounts his experience after testing the Apple Vision Pro, and his conclusion was that the Quest 3, which are the glasses made by Meta, are better than the Apple Vision Pro in a great majority of things. Remember that the Apple Vision Pro has had a very outrageous launch price, reaching $3,499, and the direct competitor is the Meta Quest 3 made by Meta, and the remarkable thing is that they are $3,000 cheaper, being priced at $499. That's why Mark has concluded that his glasses are better. In fact, he has been testing in recent days the Apple Vision Pro, but also said that the future is not yet written. This as a reference to the fact that it is not known if these glasses will actually succeed or not. Mark Zuckerberg confirmed and agrees that the high-resolution screen of the Vision Pro is spectacular, and also the eye tracking system is pretty cool, but said that including these things sacrifices a little ergonomics, and he is not willing to sacrifice that. Mark also criticized the content of the App Store, as despite having lots and lots of apps, in reality many of those apps are simply ported from an iPad experience to a virtual screen. Unlike the library of apps and games that the Meta Quest 3 have, mainly in the games catalog, which give you a fairly immersive experience. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think Meta's glasses are better than Apple's? Today I'll be posting an unboxing of these Meta Quest 3, so set your alarms and don't miss it.